Um, hey YouTubers. Yeah, so this I got from Amazon. You know, Batman double blade pocket knife. Except this one's silver. As you can remember, last video it was about the red one. Well, now I'm just showing you this one. So, let's get started. Alright, yeah, so put this down right here. Yeah, so let's see, we got my friend right here. He's helping me. Yeah. His name is Eddie, you know. And look, that's pretty good. The other one. It's pretty nice. You have that thing put on. Pretty sharp. Yeah, so gotta move this to the side. Don't want to cut myself here. Looks pretty good. Feels pretty heavy. It's big. A lot bigger. Hold on. Commercial 5 minutes. Yeah, compared to this one. Compared to this one, right? This is like twice as bigger than the other one. Can you stop? Okay. Yeah, so twice. But it's like twice as fast than the other one. And less heavier. Way more lighter. Like compared to this one's like heavy. No. Yeah, so guess that's it. Thank you, YouTubers. Please subscribe. Thank you. Eduardo Shop. Please. Thank you. Alright. Bye.